Good morning, Goon Squad. We're back out here. Today we're pretty much just finishing up, doing some final touches, and just pretty much just cleanup. Alrighty guys, so we're waiting for the inspection. We do have to cut off all the power in the house, so that's why we got this fireplace fired up, because the heat is not working right now. So once we pass inspection, then everything is going to get cut back on. We can turn the fireplace on, and we're going to have everything working. All the electrical is going to be good. Alright guys, so we got a lot of trash everywhere, so let me take you guys outside to the porch and show you that first. Alright, so as you can see, it's pretty much trashed up over here. We got to get rid of this trash. So we're just going to bag it up, put it in the back of the truck, go take it to the dumpster. Alrighty guys, so we're about to take care of this trash right now. Alright, so we got it all cleaned up. Once it warms up a bit, we're going to pressure wash it also, kind of make it a little bit more appealing and just to get rid of all that dust. And also we got to paint this cabinet over here. We got this one cabinet, we had to get a new cabinet because the granite was cut not right or something. It was a little bit too long, so we had to change up the cabinet there. Alright, so we got to get rid of this stuff also. Alrighty, cleaned up in here too. So pretty much now we just got to wipe the dust down and just take care of the little stuff. Alright guys, so we drove the little white truck today because we're going to be hauling off some trash. So we unloaded all the stuff that was in the back, and we're going to take all the stuff out of the garage and we're going to haul it off. So all this trash here we got to get rid of. Getting her inspected. Just checking for loose wires or anything of that sort. Yeah, so we got rid of our first load of trash. You can see it looks a little bit better in there, but we also got the inspector here. Just inspected it, said we passed on electrical. We also got the plumber out here, pulled up in his little vehicle, and he's doing all the faucets and all the plumbing under the sinks and taking care of all that. Alrighty, the plumbers hooked it up. They got it all hooked up under all the sinks, I believe. I'm gonna go check out the other ones.
Look at all this.
What?
They made sure it was sealed.
That's a good thing. He knows what he's doing. Let's go check out these sinks over here. Yep. Connected. Water running. Love it. I love to see this progress. Alrighty, so we're getting ready to paint this little cabinet here. So we're just gonna prep it, tape it up, and then we're gonna spray it. So what we got for this part of the project is some tape, some scuff pads, some just cleaning rags, some general purpose paper, and just a little brush just in case we have to do a touch up.
Look, this ain't gonna work. You see how that flaps? You need to tape that up, homie.
Alrighty guys, we're about to untape this in a little bit, but it's looking pretty good. He's gonna take it off. Alright guys, it's looking fresh and clean. We got it all cleaned up. Look at that, we got this cabinet painted, leaving that open so it could dry. Got all the cabinets cleaned up. Countertops cleaned up.
Looking fresh.
Looking fresh. This side too. What is up guys, another day out here. The painters are throwing their second coat, so we got more guys out here. Got a bunch of people out here. They painted the garage, nice white color and light gray walls. So it's looking great. Respect. Second coat is on and drying. Oh man.
Collect all this garbage with this garbage bag.
Doing some cleanup. Got a lot of tile we gotta clean. I'm gonna scrape it. And then we're gonna use some other cleaning supplies. The boys are in here doing paint. Alrighty guys, the painters just took off. So we got this thing painted, looking good. Everything's got a second coat on it. It's looking real fresh. What do you think? Well, we also painted this rail. Look at that, what do you guys think? Dark gray. Looks pretty fire. Check it out, guys. The house is up on the market. Still got tons of cleanup to do. We just installed these kickboards under the cabinets there, which is pretty easy to do. Alrighty guys, so I'm locking the house up. We'll be back out here tomorrow, do a little bit more cleanup, do all the final cleanup, and then hopefully sometime this week we get these floors final coated and we do all the final work so we can sell this house. We're doing some final cleanup. We got my mom and dad in here, my brother. As you can see, I started cleaning this tile. Got the mirrors up. Got everything cleaned up in this bathroom. Got all the tile cleaned. Coming together. Now we're putting on all these hardware pieces here. That too. Got these windows nice and clean. So we got the parents cleaning the windows. We're over here hanging up hardware. Got the mirrors hung up. Look at that, looks good. Hanging up hardware like this, towel racks and stuff like that. Alrighty guys. Pressure wash this driveway. Clean the garage. Pressure wash the inside of the floor. We've been on a roll today. Clean this top here. Tub, nice and shiny. Shower still needs to be wiped down, but that's just what we got to today. Been a lot of cleaning. Looking good. Alright guys, we got the insulation guy upstairs blowing in the attic. So I was going to show you guys how bright these lights were, and there you have it. They're the brightest halogens you can get, so that's a pretty good feature of the house, having super bright bulbs. See all the details. It's looking good. We've already had like 3 or 4 people come look at the place, and they were all happy with it. So now it's just a matter of who signs the contract first, and maybe we can get this thing sold in under a week.